Hey all, welcome to ShareTreck. This is Raj here. Today we take a look at Beam Therapeutics earnings, which was released yesterday. Let's get started. Welcome back. Beam Therapeutics recently reported its financial results for the fourth quarter and full year of 2023. While the company remains in the investment phase, a pivotal year with anticipated progress in key milestones and a strong financial position to support them is ahead. Beam CEO John Evans highlighted the potential for 2024 to be transformative, citing advancements in the company's two main focus areas, sickle cell disease and other genetic diseases. In the fight against SCD, Beam's Beacon trial is progressing pretty well, and the study is testing the safety and efficacy of Beam 101, which is a potential one-time gene editing treatment for patients with severe sickle cell disease. Dosing in the initial group of participants has been completed, and the expansion cohort is expected to begin treatment in the first half of this year. The company anticipates reporting initial data from the trial in the latter half of the year, offering a glimpse into the potential of Beam 101. While Beam 101 will be arriving late into the market, its advantage against Casgevy and Lyfgenia is that Beam 101 utilizes base editing, a more precise gene editing technique compared to CRISPR-based approaches used by competitors. This could potentially lead to fewer off-target edits and a safer profile. Beam is also making strides in developing its engineered stem cell antibody paired evasion, which is called ESCAPE, and this particular platform aims to further enhance the effectiveness of gene editing therapies by equipping stem cells with the ability to evade immune system. Preclinical studies for ESCAPE are planned for 2024, laying the groundwork for future clinical trials. I would be keenly following the progress of ESCAPE, as this could be a game changer for Beam and set it apart from the rest of its competitors in the gene therapy field. On the genetic disease front, Beam is making significant progress with Beam 302, its lead program for alpha-1 antitrypsin deficiency, or AATD. An application for clinical trials in Europe has been submitted, with the first human study expected to begin in the first half of 2024. Additionally, Beam anticipates filing an application with the US Food and Drug Administration, which is FDA, to initiate clinical trials of Beam 301, a potential treatment for glycogen storage disease type 1A, or GSD1A, within the first half of 2024. With crucial data expected later this year and multiple clinical trials on the horizon, Beam Therapeutics is poised for a significant year in 2024 with multiple catalysts along the way. The company's progress in developing these innovative gene therapies is closely watched by the medical community, as it holds the potential to transform the lives of patients suffering from these debilitating conditions. Next, let us look into the financials. The company has significantly improved its liquidity position, with cash equivalents, and marketable securities increasing from $1.07 billion in 2022 to $1.18 billion in 2023. Total assets have seen positive growth, reaching $1.4 billion in 2023. The decrease in total liabilities from around $608 million to $478 million is a positive trend, indicating improved financial stability. License and collaboration revenue skyrocketed from $20 million in 2022 to $316 million in 2023, indicating strong partnership and revenue generation. The company has shown a commitment to innovations, with increased investment in research and development and general and administrative expenses. Income from operations improved significantly, reaching $132 million in 2023 compared to a loss of $88 million in 2022, showcasing improved operational efficiency. Net income has turned positive, showing a notable improvement from a loss of $38 million in 2022 to a gain of $142 million in 2023. Both basic and diluted earnings per share have witnessed positive growth, further emphasizing the company's improved financial performance, and the comprehensive income of $145 million in 2023 reflects the overall financial health of the company, showing a positive trend. In summary, Beam Therapeutics has demonstrated robust financial growth and operational improvement in 2023, marked by increased revenue, enhanced liquidity, and improved profitability. Next, let us look at the price action. Here we are in the chart for Beam Therapeutics, and as you can see, each of these candles are a one-day candle, and you would see that as soon as the earnings was announced, there was a huge jump in the share price for Beam Therapeutics, and there was a huge gap up as well. Gap ups are definitely not welcome, but sometimes the market is caught off guard and these kind of things happen. So it's not necessary that this gap will get filled up immediately. We'll have to wait and see more information, and if the expectation from Beam is realistic, I don't expect the gap to be filled. Otherwise, we'll be seeing a decline in prices in order to fill this gap before it moves up further. However, we have a strong support here at 40.22, and that should help us. It has been coming from before, and personally, after looking at the earnings report, I think it's becoming a stronger company by the day, and the balance sheet looks pretty good. So I would think that I don't see any other catalyst out here. I just want this RSI to cool off a little bit so that the share can continue consolidating. So I would expect a consolidation move with a support at 40.22 going forward in the next few weeks. So in terms of conclusions, here are my opinions on Beam Therapeutics. This video is my personal opinion and not financial advice, so please perform your own due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. That said, I would say that Beam Therapeutics has showcased commendable financial performance in its latest report. Notably, the company's liquidity stands strong at 1.2 billion, signaling improved financial stability and providing ample room for strategic initiatives. Total assets have seen positive growth, reaching 1.46 billion, and a reduction in total liabilities to 478 million underlies the enhanced financial health, and the surge in collaboration revenue from 20 million to an impressive 316 million indicates successful partnerships contributing to the company's overall revenue diversification, and Beam's strategic investments in research and development and general and administrative expenses showcases a commitment to innovation. Looking ahead, Beam Therapeutics seems promising, and the company's solid cash position with the funding expected to have a cash runway all the way into 2027 provides immense financial flexibility for ongoing operations and milestones. And the focus on advancing key programs like Beam 101 and Beam 302 positions Beam for potential market opportunities. Continuous monitoring of clinical developments and market dynamics remain crucial for us as investors in order to have a comprehensive ongoing assessment of the company's evolving prospects. And that's what I would be doing in this channel, following the clinical trials and other aspects of this company and bringing it to you from time to time. So that's all from me for now. Please let me know what you think of Beam, and if you have it in your portfolio, are you holding or are you selling? I'd be very keen to hear that. Bye for now.